Long, long ago, our forefathers thought this world is only just a place of wonder and fear in both hands. But today, it is merely a place of fantasy. They felt and believed that food, shelter, and clothing were the so-called human basic needs. And here, of course, it is still. Yet evolution introduced some other thing to put them in the first place. The emerging fancy term called the digital world stands directly behind the technological advancements. This digital era we are living in is hardly because of the Industrial Revolution. And here comes the fourth Industrial Revolution 4.0. What exactly is the fourth Industrial Revolution? Why is it important to care about exponential technologies in this digital revolution? Do our students have enough skills to work in the emerging digital era? And here, these terminologies may sound new to get inside. The concept will blow your mind off. What's more, with no further ado, let's get started.